You won't believe it, but many advanced techniques you've seen in big budget videos can be recreated in an editor like Filmora, and the results can be just as impressive. From an easy 3D logo animation to a popular 3D screen effect, clean blur trick, smart short clips, and even a social video planner. These 5 tips will instantly raise the quality of your work. CapCut is great for quick edits, but when you want more precision and depth, Filmora really shines. And unlike After Effects, it's much easier to use. You can create pro-level animations in minutes. Creating a 3D logo animation is easier than you think, and it's a great way to open your video. In Filmora, click on the Influence Kit, and under Logo Reveal, hit Start Creating. Here you'll find a bunch of cool 3D animations you can choose from. For this example, I'll go with this one. Once you're done selecting, just click Start Creating. Next, click here to add your logo. I'll use the Filmora logo for this example. Below you can also edit the text and adjust the size so it fits nicely with your design. If you want, you can try out different 3D material presets too. When you're happy with how it looks, click Finish. Now, to make it feel more professional, head over to the Audio tab and select AI Audio. Then click on AI Sound Effects. This is where you can create the perfect sound for your animation. Just describe the effect you are looking for. I'll type in Cinematic Swoosh because I think it suits the animation best. After that, adjust the duration if needed, click Generate and pick the sound you like. Drop it on the timeline, match it to your animation, and you're done. Here is the final result. That's looking great, but if you like this, you're going to love the next trick, a popular 3D screen effect. To create it, go to the Effects tab, then under Boris Effects, click on Stylize. Here you'll find the BCC Cast Shadow, just drag it onto your video. Next, click the Effects icon and move the playhead to the point where you want the animation to start. Under Image Plane, enable keyframes for all settings except opacity. Then move the playhead to where you want the animation to end and adjust the position and the rotation settings to create a 3D effect. By fine-tuning these settings, you can create unique angles that make your videos look much more professional. I suggest you experiment with the settings to get unique results. If you want the scene to continue in that angle, just move a few frames forward, click the keyframes again, then you can adjust the settings to change angles at any point in the clip. To make the animation smoother, right-click a keyframe, open Bezier Curves, and choose Ease In or Ease Out for more polished motion. You can repeat this for any keyframes you added. Here is the final result. And now you're ready for another technique I love to use in my videos, a trick with blur effect. Let's take a look. To show you this effect, I'm using a timeline image I created with AI, but I recommend using video for the better results. First, place the image or video above your original clip and align it properly. Then, change its blend mode to screen to make it transparent. Next, go to the Effects tab and add a basic blur effect to your overlay. Click the effect icon, add a keyframe, and adjust the blur intensity to your liking. At any point in the clip, you can tweak this intensity to make the overlay more or less visible, a simple way to create a nice dynamic effect. You can also add an opacity keyframe in the Image tab, then drop it down to 0 to create a smooth fade, or experiment with other settings and keyframes for different looks. Here is how it looks after editing. And now, get ready for the next trick. It's going to save you a lot of time. On the Filmora homepage, click the 3 dots and you'll find the Smart Short Clips feature. Click it and you can either connect to your YouTube channel or upload a long-form video from your device. For this example, I'll upload my latest video about 10 best apps for your phone. Here is where it gets really interesting. You can pick a language, choose the video length, select a theme and even template style you like. Then just hit Generate and Filmora will automatically turn your long video into short, social media ready clips. Here is an example. The first one is called Relance and it instantly turns your phone into a pro-level DSLR camera. Seriously, just the best part, you can still edit it on the timeline. You can move or resize captions, remove sections you don't want, and customize it until it's perfect. It saves a ton of time and makes creating short clips so much easier. The first one is called Relance and it instantly turns your phone into a pro-level DSLR. Now, here is one more feature that can be incredibly useful. the Social Content Planner. Once you click Export, go to the Social Media tab. This is where you can create an AI-generated description for your video. Click here, select Video Description and add a few words about your video. Choose your language, hit Generate, and you'll get a ready-to-use description you can just copy and paste. This makes things a lot quicker and gives you more time to focus on making videos even better. Next, let's create a title. Click YouTube video title and hit Generate, then pick the one you like best. After that, you can set the category, add tags, adjust the visibility, or even edit the thumbnail. To do this, just pick a frame from your video, click Template and choose a thumbnail design you like. I went with one from the Short Video tab. You can adjust the text, add images, or move elements around until it looks just right. Once you're happy with it, just click Save, adjust any other settings you need, and then export. It will post it directly to the social platform you've chosen, right from Filmora. If you found this video helpful, here is another one you'll like. Or click here if you want to learn how to create animated AI videos in Filmora. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.